Got to film the intro again, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm back out. We just built this roller that's behind me down here. I don't have my bike at the moment, it's at the shop, and because of the lockdown that I can't get it. So that's why there's no riding videos. With that being said, play the music, let's get into it.
Oh shit, you live in the canyon, how big is your mansion? Yeah. Fresh out of school, now you working and focus on fashion.
So a lot of people are wondering on how I build my jumps. So what I do is I basically scrape all the grass off the top of where I want to build the jump. Rightio, now I've got all the grass just piled up here. I'm going to start digging the dirt up, putting it on top.
Pretty girl and you let go. Got time but you got goals. Hey baby, waste your time
It doesn't look like much of a roller yet, but actually it looks even worse on camera.
with me in California. La 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 la, yeah, I'm better at a 1-0. La 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 la, now we at the same house party. La 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 la, if you wanna waste time, baby, wait.
Probably can't hear me, but it's done. It's going to be watering the jumps. I haven't actually watered them since I built them. It's not reaching the jumps. Ah, bugger. The new video will be coming out Monday at 4 PM.